all these Lamborghini Urus, G-Wagon or Range Rover, they can go home now. Because if you want to be the coolest mom in car line, this is what you need. Let me show you why. This behind me is a Ferrari Purosangue. It's the first Ferrari SUV, but they call it FUV. But yeah, it's a 4-door car. It has 4 seats. So it's perfect for me because I'm not only a race car driver, I'm also a mom with 2 kids. And I'm gonna take you today with me and I'm gonna show you why this is the perfect mom car. So the rear doors are suicide doors, and that means they open this way, which for me is brilliant. It makes it so much easier for me to get baby in and out of the car seat. This car comes with 4 seats, so there's no option for 5 seats here, which is perfect for me. I'm not very social, so this limits the maximum people of the car to only 4. Love it. You know, I really care about the environment. All the Alcantara leather in the car are made out of recycled plastic bottles. We picked up the car about 2 months ago and I made a video about the delivery, which was super nice, so you can watch it here. And I also took it on the racetrack and tested how it really drives. So if you're interested in that, I made a separate video about that. And in that video, so you can see that we put some options in the car, but we didn't fully load it. But there's one thing which is always very important for me, which is the little horse in the headrest. My husband is always fighting me on that because it's $2,200 just for a little horse stitching. But come on guys, if I take my selfies in the car, who should people know that it's a Ferrari if it doesn't have a horse in the headrest? So let me take you with me for the day. First things first, pick up baby. This is the best car if you have a baby. There's nothing better to make your baby fall asleep than this V12 sound. No white noise machine makes my baby sleep faster than this V12 engine. You can see that she's in the back. She's completely knocked out. So let's do some grocery shopping. Next stop is Whole Foods. I'm not sure if I would fully trust it, but the car even has a little bit of self-driving. Yeah, it does it a little bit. Some lane assist. So maybe sound weird, but I always park very far away from any other car to at least hope and pray that nobody slams their door into my car. Go grocery shopping. Oh, by the way, because I'm here now, this is this beautiful backpack, comes with the car, and you can only get it when you buy the car. So you cannot buy the backpack at Ferrari. They only give it to you when you buy the car. So, baby diapers. Coconut oil. Hasta diapers and mini chocolate chips. Do you know the anxiety when you park on purpose so nobody park next to you and then someone dared to do it? Everything is good. So the trunk is not necessarily huge, but I think it's enough for some groceries. What else do you need? Some diapers for the baby and some string cheese for me. You know, there was such a long time I didn't know how to properly eat the string cheese. I thought you just bite in. But you know, do you know that you're supposed to pull it like this? Wait, can do that better. Supposed to eat it like that. And for some really odd reason, it tastes so much better. Heaven. Tack. In here. I think I need to get myself a little matcha. Don't poop on my car.
Hi, welcome to Mothership. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, I would like to have a hot matcha latte with almond milk and no sweetener Medium size, please.
Absolutely.
God, that's so tight here. My husband is gonna kill me if I scratch these $15,000 Ferrari rims. Be super cautious. Ah! And I don't see a damn thing. Thank you.
Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Thank you.
Finally, we have cup holders in a Ferrari. I'm pretty sure this is the first Ferrari with cup holders. By the way, there's 2 in the front and 2 in the rear, so for the kids as well. Amazing. Thank you, Ferrari. Thank you, thank you. So, time to put some gas in. That can take a while now, I can tell you. So even though fuel prices are down a little bit, which is great, but for some reason Nevada is still one of the highest. It's still almost $4.50 per gallon. And I can tell you, this car needs a lot of fuel. And now it's time to pick up child number 2 from school. I can tell you, I'm definitely the coolest mom in Carline here because I have a B12. Nobody else has that. All with their little Range Rovers coming here. Hello. How was your day?
Good, nice.
Are you not hot?
No, I'm fine. Has nice AC. Just a lot of AC coming back. It's a really nice car. It's really fun to use. Especially when you go to school and everyone's like looking at you, talking about like how cool like your car is. It's nice. It's really cool.
Yeah. So if you're now not convinced that this is the absolute best mom car ever,